From the Appalachia region in America, we bring you good tidings. In this instructional video, we supply you with a guide to construct your very own phototrophic villa in hopes you should spread knowledge through much of the community. To embark on our journey, we shall start out in preparation then construction. Feel free to add your own innovation, but be very wary of safety.
The soil placed in the wall holds nutrients and water necessary for plant growth. For maximum results, the soil in the wall should consist of 50% loam and 50% sand, resulting in a sandy loam soil. To ensure the soil drains properly, you must drill holes in the base of the concrete slab of the wall. This will be explained in the construction part of the video. Things to note for the soil. Put the soil in the wall and then the plant blocks to hold the water and nutrients necessary for plant growth. The soil type should consist of 50% sand and 50% loam with an N type of sandy loam. In the bottom, first, place 2 inches of gravel into the wall so that the whole bottom of the wall has an even 2 inches of gravel. On top of this gravel, place 2 inches of sand to ensure good drainage. In the middle, fill the wall with a mixture of sandy loam. At the very top, put in 6 inches of pure sand. Building the wall. Construct the wall as usual, except turning every other block 90 degrees, as is played in the pictures and videos. These turned out blocks present a space for the plants to reside. To make these blocks, first, knock out the middle of the concrete blocks to be used for the plant with a hammer or a similar device. This allowed the plant roots to reach the water and nutrients contained in the soil, inhabiting the main part of the wall. Then, pour out mixed concrete into the bottom of the knocked out block. This serves as a plug so that the plant can reside in the block. Fill these up with soil and plant the new plants. Additional information about the wall. First, knock out the middle of the concrete blocks to be used for the plants with a hammer or a similar device. Then, pour mixed concrete into the bottom of the knocked out block. This serves as a plug so that the plant can't reside in the block.
Assembling the water distribution system that resides inside the wall utilizes gravity as a driving force for the wastewater distribution. The wastewater will travel down through the walls to the plants. The 5-gallon bucket located on top of the wall should be filled several times a day, for it is the only human input into the nutrient delivery. Construct the wastewater system so that the water in the bucket will slowly drain through a bulkhead fitting into a horizontal 1-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. Connect a ball valve below the bulkhead to regulate the water flow. The horizontal pipe should be slightly shorter than the wall's width and should be capped off at both ends. Using a 1/16 size drill bit, bore out several smooth holes in the horizontal pipe, about 45 degrees from the horizontal and facing the outside face of the wall, one for each cinder block division. Simply stated, for under the cinder block, the pipe would contain 2 holes. The wastewater will drip out of the pipe and drain down through the wall and will be purified by the plants as they absorb the nutrients. Before building the wall, be sure to drain a drain hole in the wall's base, one for every cell division. There should be as many drain holes as holes in the horizontal pipe. This allows the purified water to drain out the wall.
Before planting, thoroughly saturate the wall to allow the soil to settle before planting. Make sure the soil in each plant block is saturated. Drainage holes are located at the bottom of each cinder block division to allow the purified water to exit the wall.
Planting the plants and daily maintenance. Before planting the seedlings in the plant blocks, Saturate the wall to let the soil settle, as well to let excess air escape. This should be done after building the wall distribution system to ensure that it stays level. To saturate the wall, fill the distribution system with plenty of water. After sufficient time has passed for the water to sit down and fully saturate the entire wall, check each plant to spot and confirm that it is indeed receiving water. If the plants are getting watered and excess water is coming out of the drainage holes in the bottom, to continue planting the plants. Do not use seedlings but transplant medium-aged plants into the wall for maximum benefit. A daily maintenance must be strictly adhered to in order to obtain maximum results. First, water the plants with fish waste every day, never allowing the wall to get dry. This amount may vary depending on climate and type of plants. Monitor the plant twice a day to check for dryness. Initially, for a few weeks after planting the plants, test the water coming out of the wall to guarantee that the plants are absorbing the needed nutrients. For the fish. Overall, this system is an aquaponic system. Since the nutrients for the plants come from fish waste, when watering the plants, use water coming from a fish pond to ensure that the plants are getting sufficient nutrients. The water should be tested for nitrate levels before use. The water that has drained from the wall should empty back into the fish pond to make the system regenerative.
To recap daily maintenance: water the plants each day, carrying buckets of fish waste. Check to see if all plants are getting water. Finally, we hope you've enjoyed our instructional video and wish you all the best with your construction endeavors. Farewell.